Imagine a chilly winter morning where the breeze cuts to the bone. Now visualize a warm cocoon, a bubble of comfort and warmth. This is exactly what the Omisoon space heater offers, a device designed to transform your spaces into havens of warmth and comfort. Don't hesitate to click on the link right now to learn more about these unique features, see the thousands of reviews left by satisfied customers, and order yours at the best price right now. The Omisoon space heater is ideal for those looking to quickly warm small indoor spaces such as bedrooms or offices, while benefiting from efficient and safe heating technology. It is the perfect choice for families, professionals, and students who desire personalized thermal comfort and ease of use. With its 2000 watts of power, the Omisoon space heater is a true concentrate of technology. The rapid heating function, thanks to a ceramic PTC element, ensures an instant temperature rise ideal for rushed mornings, and this is just the beginning. The Omisoon space heater is equipped with 3 distinct modes: high, low, and cool air, as well as an energy-saving mode that allows you to adjust the temperature to your liking. Whether you need a quick burst of heat or a constant and gentle warmth, Omisoon meets all your needs. And the best part is that this product is available at the best price. By clicking on the link in the description, you will also find thousands of customer reviews to help you make your decision. Now, let's talk about its design. With its elegant black color and tower shape, this heater fits perfectly into any interior, whether it is a home or an office. Its compact dimensions make it a discreet yet effective device for rooms up to 20 meters. But be careful, the innovation doesn't stop there. Omisoon has integrated a 42010 oscillation for even heat distribution. Add to this a LED touchscreen for intuitive control and a remote control for user comfort. And you have a device that combines technology and ease of use. Furthermore, safety is not overlooked. With features like overheat protection, a tip-over switch, and fire-resistant material, the Omisoon ensures worry-free use. And for families, the main switch prevents any accidental use by children. And guess what? You can own this product with just one click on the link in the description and see thousands of extremely satisfied customer reviews. But that's not all. Omisoon thinks of your wallet. Thanks to its eco mode, you can set the temperature between 10 degrees and 30 degrees, allowing the heater to maintain a constant temperature while optimizing energy consumption. You will notice a significant reduction in your electricity bill. Ultimately, the Omisoon space heater is easy to move thanks to its portable design and easy storage with an integrated cable reel. It is the ideal companion for all your heating needs. Now let's recap its advantages as well as its disadvantages. Advantage number 1. PTC ceramic technology allows for efficient and rapid heating, ideal for immediate comfort. Advantage number 2. Safety feature. Includes overheat protection and tip-over protection, providing safer usage. Advantage number 3. Smart control. The touchscreen and remote control provide easy and convenient use. Advantage number 4. The eco mode helps reduce energy consumption, which is beneficial for the environment and for your electricity bills. Advantage number 5. Portability. Its compact size and handle make it easy to move from one room to another. Advantage number 6. Quiet. It operates relatively quietly, making it suitable for environments like bedrooms or offices. Advantage number 7. Elegant design. Its modern appearance fits well into various interior decors. Advantage number 8. A 20-hour timer that allows you to program the heating according to your needs, offering more flexibility. Now let's move on to a few disadvantages. Disadvantage number 1. Limited efficiency in large spaces, less effective for heating large rooms or open areas. Disadvantage number 2. Dependence on a power source. This heater needs to be plugged in, which can limit its placement depending on the availability of outlets. So, to discover how the Omisoon space heater can transform your winter into a warm and welcoming season, click on the link in the description to order at the best price and see the thousands of customer reviews. Don't let the cold get to you. Choose warmth and comfort with Omisoon. Thank you for your attention and see you soon.